and welcome to this week's Tip of the Week. Today we're going to be reviewing how to filter in query results in your Query Manager. So you have a report in your Query Manager that you wish you could filter down a little bit further than what you already have defined in your where clause, or maybe you don't have a where clause at all. Instead of changing your where clause at all, you can save time by using the filter function. To get here, one of the options is to right-click, hit Filter Table, and then this Filter Table window below will appear. You can see that you have different rules and values and two values that will appear based on the selection criteria that you have defined in your report. Using this filter table function, you're going to be able to save time by updating the results of your query without actually changing your query. So here we have our query up that we would like to filter down even more. I'm going to right click and I can either click filter table, or if you see this filter icon up at the top toolbar, I can click that and it'll pull up the same filter table window. You can see here that I'm going to be filtering for all sales employees with the sales employee code of less than 2. So I want to see sales employees 1 and 2. I also want to see for those 2 sales employees when their sales commission percentage is less than 4. So I'm going to go ahead and click this filter button. And now if you look in the column titles, you can see a filter icon for the columns that have been filtered. Additionally, let's say that I want to sum this quantity field here. If you have any type of numeric field, you can control double click to pull a sum down here. Now let's say I no longer wish to filter this data anymore, or want to change the filters. You can either, once again, right click filter table or click the filter icon to take away those filters. This filter function is available within 10.0 on more than just the Query Manager. It is also available in the open items list. Really, if you ever see this filter icon pop up on any of your reports, you can use this.